Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Rich's Roadmap. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: remote teaching and tutoring as a way to make money online. With the rise of online education and the demand for personalized learning, there are plenty of opportunities for you to earn an income while sharing your knowledge. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get started and succeed in the world of remote teaching and tutoring. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on making money online. Let's get started. Understanding the opportunity. The first thing to understand is why remote teaching and tutoring is such a fantastic way to make money online. The demand for online education has never been higher, and it's a trend that's here to stay. Whether you're an expert in math, science, language, or any other subject, there's a potential audience waiting to learn from you. Identifying your niche. But before you start, it's crucial to identify your niche. What subjects or skills are you most passionate about? Who is your target audience? Finding your niche will help you stand out in the crowded online education market. Preparing your content. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to prepare your content. This includes creating lesson plans, developing teaching materials, and organizing your course structure. Remember, the quality of your content will play a significant role in attracting and retaining students. Choosing a platform. Now, let's talk about choosing the right platform. There are various options, such as online tutoring websites, freelance teaching, or even creating your own website or YouTube channel. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each and help you decide which one suits you best. Marketing your services. Once you're set up on a platform, it's time to start marketing your services. We'll share some effective strategies to attract students and build your online reputation. Social media, SEO, and paid advertising can all play a role in your success. Managing your time. Remote teaching and tutoring can offer flexibility, but it's essential to manage your time effectively. We'll provide tips on creating a schedule that works for you, maintaining a healthy work-life balance, and staying organized. Pricing your services. Pricing is a critical factor in making money online through teaching and tutoring. We'll discuss how to set competitive prices that reflect your expertise and the market demand while ensuring you earn a reasonable income. Building long-term relationships. Building long-term relationships with your students can lead to recurring income and positive word-of-mouth referrals. We'll share strategies to connect with your students, provide excellent customer service, and create a loyal student base. Handling challenges. No journey is without its challenges. We'll address common hurdles in remote teaching and tutoring and provide tips on overcoming them. From dealing with difficult students to managing technical issues, we've got you covered. Conclusion. That's a wrap for today's video on remote teaching and tutoring as a way to make money online. We hope you found this information helpful in kickstarting your journey into the world of online education. Remember, it takes dedication and effort, but with the right approach, you can turn your passion for teaching into a profitable online business. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more valuable content on making money online. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.